டுடே நாம் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா பைத்தான் introduction. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Okay. It is used for web development, server side, that means website, and software development, that's develop the tool, software tools, and mathematics and scripting, system scripting. Okay. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python, it's you look like this symbol, okay, that's some snake symbol. Okay, why Python? Python works on different platforms, that's Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, that's operating systems. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreted system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Good to know, the most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. In this tutorial, Python will be written in a text editor. It is possible to write Python in an integrated development environment such as Tony, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Python files. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability, okay, and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Just easy to read. Print hello world, okay, that's the sentence. Not have the semicolon, ending column is not needed. Just someone asking to write your program, write your, just print hello world. Print means we normally taking the print out, so normally we are using these words, right? Easy to read. And Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages which often uses semicolons or parentheses. Don't need to use semicolons, okay? Just Python x equal to 5, y equal to 10, z equal to x plus y. So it will we will see the next section, okay, how to run the Python program and how to install the Python in our system. We will see that in next sections. Other languages, example Java, C, JavaScript, we have the x equal to 5, y equal to 10, semicolon, z equal to x plus y. So we need to add the semicolon after complete. And Python relies on intentions using whiteface to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and clauses. Other programming languages often uses curly brackets for this purpose. Curly brackets using that, but in our Python we using indentation. Okay, if x greater than 0, the column using that print positive, else column print non-positive. But if you look at other language, if x greater than or equal to 0, open brackets and print positive, else print non-positive. Okay, in these sections we will continue to Python. Just explain the Python introduction. Okay, the summary of it is, it's used for web development, the software development, mathematics, calculations, and system scripting. Nowadays it's using that AI, artificial intelligence. So it's nowadays it's artificial intelligence purpose. It will automate all the applications, so we can able to simply do the automation coding also using Python. So it's very important to learn Python. So we will see the next class for how to install the Python and how to run the simple programs. Okay, so I hope all of you understand for this basic introduction. Okay, Python introductions and what's the Python can do and why Python. Okay, and goods to know Python 3 is the latest versions, so we compare with the other programming languages as well. Python syntax, simple steps. Okay, so print easy to read and semicolon. Let's see the next video. Thank you.